just finished the finger. I can see. Yep. I think the soap was too strong for this. That's why it keeps coming out black. I need to check on that. Anyway. This one used to be black. We'll see what colors stay out. So there's no water. I don't know. It's on lean, but this is it. It's kind of dry. It smells good. Anyway, so next it's this one. It has to have this one. And you cannot do both at the same time. Either you do one or the other one, based on the instructions. Something happened?
Yeah,
is it too heavy? Isn't even?
Yeah.
Well, how?
Yeah, you take it out of the bag, though. That should be fine.
I can't put the thing all the way down. That's why. Because you see, I had to tie it up. I mean, press it down. You hear me? Let's try one more time. If not, I guess I take it out. See? You need to press it all the way down. Otherwise, it goes. Okay. You need to press the ring all the way down. Push it down, press it down. And now I'm gonna dry this with my new dryer. We'll come back to the other one. Oh, hold on. Let's put more time. Okay, I'll be back with this. Let's go see the mess in the kitchen. We have new dryer. So it's ready to use. Okay. Let this wet stuff in here. Well, I'm gonna wait for the other one too, because otherwise it's too little, no? Okay, and obviously, what do I do with gentle? Air dry? Walk in the 120?
You do warm.
Warm? Okay.
Because
So,
hot's shrinking it, no?
yeah, hot shrinks. So I'm gonna do 120. In a moment when the other one comes out.